Got the design figured out. We can get on these front seats, and I'll put these covers on the chair of shame. R.I.P. All right, so it's looking like on the old Fords, it bolts from the underside. What size do you think that is? We're gonna try the 1/2 inch first, see what happens. Hey, look, we were right. There's a bolt up here that we have to hold at the same time. I got it out. I had to pry this flathead up against the bolt on the top side and then ratchet it out. So got to do that 3 more times and then we'll have it out. There it is. All right, let's see if I can pick this up and not scratch anything. Come on. There we go. Here it is. All we've got to do is match that seat. I'll get it taken apart and kind of see how nothing's lining up. Just have to make sure everything lines up good. at that. We were able to do it in a day. I kind of loosely put them together to make sure that all my lines were lining up. I think I'm gonna take off the back covers and put some more foam in them. You can't really tell from the video, but they're a little bit loose, especially this one. This one's fine. I did the pattern off of this one and I mirrored it to this side, but apparently this side was like slightly smaller for some reason, at least the foam in it. So I'm gonna fluff it up a little bit. Here's both of them. But yeah, I'm liking it. A flap down there. But we're getting there. Tomorrow, fluff these up, and then we'll be working on the carpet, putting the carpet in, and then we'll do some trim pieces